In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Typoform to generate a lead. Typoform basically gives you different types of forms to generate leads and to do surveys. And Automizy is an email marketing software, so where we actually save contacts to send our future campaigns, and of course Gmail to send an email through Connexit. So before I actually starting to create a connect, I need to authorize my accounts. I already authorized accounts. I will show you how to authorize Gmail account. I have to click on add account. So you have to give permissions. So my authentication process is completed. Similarly, you have to do the same thing for Typoform and Automizy. For Automizy, you have to input an API key. It's an API based authentication. So you have to copy the API key from Automizy that will present in settings tab, and here it is API token. You have to copy the API key and paste it in Connexit. So after authorization, I will jump on to straight away to create my connects. All our authorized apps will be displayed on the left hand side panel. I will start with my lead form. That will be a Typoform leads where I will generate my lead, and I need Automizy to save my contacts and Gmail to send an email. I can also choose text formatter to format my text. This is an optional. If necessary, you can choose that. So I will start my trigger in Typoform. I will choose my workspace and the form. Basically, Typoform is used to generate a lead from a form. This is my form. It has an email field, name, and a phone number field. I will save my contact generated from Typoform on Automizy. I can use all these actions. Right now, I will choose create contact action and my contact list. I will save the email generated by Typoform to email and my name as my tag. So tag is an optional thing. You can choose however the way you want. So next thing, I will set up a Gmail account. I already added 2 accounts, so I will select my account and I will choose an action as send email. So these are all the things I have to enter. I will add the same email I got it from Typoform to Gmail, and I can give an subject demo lead. I can create body. I will use text formatter to create a body. I need name and phone number. I can just type the content of the email, basically a body of an email. You have to use @ to select the attributes which you got it from your trigger. Basically here it is Typoform, full name, and I will enter thanks Connexit. There is your phone number. So this is optional. You can use our necessary for your business. I will select this as my body. I'm done with my connects. I will save my connect. Yes, done. So here what we are doing is any new form that we are getting lead, we are getting it from type of form, will save my contact list on Automizy and send an email on Gmail. So I will test all these things. So before testing, I will go to type of form and choose my form, copy the link. This is my form, and you can see the Automizy. I have 0 contacts in my list, so there is no contacts as of now. And this is my email. So I will start filling the form now. I enter my email ID to where I have to send an email. I'll enter my name. So let's see, I'm entering in lowercase. So I fill all my details. So my form is submitted. Now I will check my email. So I have to receive an email. So we are waiting for email to receive. Also the contacts on Automizy. Yes, you can see the contact list, that is my email ID and my name as a tag. Similarly, I will receive an email as well. Yes, you can see. So I'm received an email ID, that is thanks for choosing Connexit, and here is my phone number. So this is how we connect any leads from typoform or any other form to automate it from to using Automizy for sending an email campaigns, and you can use Gmail to send email. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you.